got our pepperoni and rocket, our charcoal lamb, leftover lamb, and spinach feta pizza with some balsamic vinegar. The barbecue meat lovers with ham, some barbecue chicken shredded up, some mozzarella cheese, but homemade barbecue sauce, some oregano. We've got our margarita topped with rocket, ready to go. This one is our ham and pineapple for the kids, and Tommy's creation, which is a bit of everything. All of these going into the pizza oven over the charcoal. Nice and easy, and a good way to use leftover meat. Can't wait. Briquettes from Sydney Barbecues and Rotisseries. First time giving them a go. Got them in a stack. Let's see how they go. So for tonight's cook up, which is pizzas, we're using the Bakerstone. I'm resting it on some red hot lump, and yeah, it's climbing the temperature. So it's time to get these pizzas in and get them cooking. Everyone's hungry. You can use these on the gas barbecue as well, but I haven't used gas in God knows how long. So let's see how these turn out. First pizza in, beauty. Beauty. Five or six more to go. Double parked. More to come. Pepperoni and rocket. And we're done. The last one is my margarita, oregano, cheese, rocket, you name it. It's the leftovers of the meaty stuff. And Tommy's mix. So full. Have a great night, everyone. Leftover pizzas in the Bakerstone pizza oven over charcoal. Cheers.